Initial situation: deep, repeated damage caries on the chewing and buccal surface along the border of the filling and tooth. It was decided to replace this filling with a ceramic inlay that covers the masticatory cusps. I file down the old filling and remove all carious tissue. The tooth will remain with the nerve. I remove part of the lingual wall in height so that the tooth does not crack in half. I place a retraction thread between the gum and tooth so that the border of the future Emax inlay can be better seen. I create a cavity on the cheek side on which the Emax tab will be located. I polish all surfaces and scan the tooth. Digital view of the tooth cavity. This is what a ceramic inlay looks like, made by milling on a special machine. Insulation of the working area with the rubber dam, surface cleaning and acid etching. Adhesive protocol and fixation to dual care composite material. Remove excess material and polish the borders.